everybody? My name is Carmina K, and you are new here. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the winning team. Today, we are going to be going over how I do my eyebrow routine, how I get it to look symmetrical. I just want to let you guys know right now that my eyebrows are in the middle of like the growing out process. In this video, we're going to be using all drugstore products, so that's easier on your wallet, because you know I'm about saving money. And enough talking, let's get into the video. This is basically the best it's gonna be. This ring light is literally in my face. You guys, I look a little bit crazy. I shaved off like the excess hairs around my eyebrows just to make it look cleaner for you. And these are the products I'm gonna go over that you're gonna need for your eyebrows. And we're gonna be doing my good eyebrow today. This is what she looks like without any makeup.
So as you can see here, I am brushing my eyebrow hairs up and to the side during my tail area. It's like in the direction that they're growing. That's the way I'm brushing them. And I'm doing this so it could be easier to lay down the pomade. And now we're gonna just be taking a little bit of the pomade. Make sure a little bit, because you don't need a lot. We're gonna start in the middle, right there, bam, right in the middle. And I'm kind of just doing the half of my eyebrow first. And as you can see where the arch is starting, I'm starting before my natural line. So when we cut it, it doesn't look like a harsh line. If that makes any sense, because I know a lot of people do that. And then you could see I'm making my tail right there because your girl don't got no tail. She's flourishing, growing right now in the process. Now we're gonna do the top. We're gonna be doing just outlining basically your eyebrows. That's the first step. We're just outlining it. And then the arch area right here, we are making sure we're doing very soft strokes. We're not trying to make the arch super dark. And again, we're trying to get that tail to be a little bit more tapered at the end because we are creating the tail since I don't have a tail. Now we're going to start doing the front. And as you can see, I made it hella light compared to the rest of my eyebrow because I'm not trying to make the front of my eyebrow look super dark. I don't like that look. We're trying to go for like a gradient effect, so it's like lighter to darker. And then we're gonna start shading in our eyebrow in like the direction our hair grows. So like for the end here, we're gonna make them like diagonal lines, like sideways lines. And then here we go again, we're gonna be tapering the tail because especially if you don't have a lot of eyebrow hair, it takes a lot of work to do the tail. And then you'll see me going again with the pomade and just shade in the middle, but this way we're gonna be doing less we're gonna be doing the strokes in like a sideways motion. And again, I'm really trying to round that arch because I don't have a lot of hair from like my arch to my tail. Like it's not a lot of hair there, guys. It's not a lot of hair. Also, if I'm whispering, it's because it's nighttime for me right now. And yeah, so here we go. We're trying to just shade in our eyebrow. Also, the way I flipped it, it's because I'm not trying to go in with the pomade so much. I'm trying to use every excess pomade as possible. And as you can see right here, I messed up. Probably you see that line, that's why I brushed it. Yeah, we don't do harsh lines over here. I like doing voiceovers, even though this is my first voiceover. Now I'm gonna be brushing the top. You know how we just melted like that harsh line, you know what I'm trying to say? And then we brushed the front. I did that so like the color from the harsh line goes to the front of my eyebrow, so we don't go back in with the pomade and we mess all it up, you know, try to make it look natural as possible. Now we're gonna be concealing. Take a little bit, you don't need a lot, just a little bit, you know. And then you could go in with whatever brush you want. I gave you options in the beginning. And now we're just kind of gonna...
I just wanted to show you what my eyebrows look like outside of the ring light. Obviously it looks very different. You could obviously see the gradient a lot more. Concealer isn't too perfect, but I think it looks pretty good in person. Be happy with them, how they turned out. But yeah, I'm gonna put on this eye and yeah, and you'll see the finished look. Hi, I'm back with 2 eyeballs. Trying to get them so symmetrical was very stressful. I'm so happy about how it turned out. I really needed to redeem myself because I mean, that last video was wow, okay. Really don't need to spend a lot of money to get bomb eyebrows like these. I just showed you how. If you guys found this very informative, very detailed, and you guys were able to follow along with my eyebrow routine, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all social medias because I do like to post content on there like bloopers and things like that. So be sure to check that out and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!